This demonstration we're going to have a very quick look at the Virtual Machine Manager console. So what we've got here is I've just launched the Virtual Machine Manager console, I've logged in, and what we've got along the top here is we've got our home bar. And now in our home bar, depends on really what you've clicked on as to what you get, but as you can see we've got various tasks that we can create. If we then have a look at the folder tab, we've got various other tasks we can create as well. So just back into the VMs and services, which I've highlighted down at the bottom here. What we can see is we've got our tenant virtual machines, cloud virtual machines. We can see any VM networks that we've got assigned and IP pools. We can have a look at any storage that's being managed as well, and we can have a look at any hosts. I currently haven't added any hosts, that's why we don't have any information. If we then click on the fabric view, what we get under the fabric view, we can see all of the servers currently in this fabric. So we can see all of the hosts, type V hosts. We can see all the infrastructure servers. So for example, if I right click here, if we add infrastructure servers, we can specify a server. So we could have a WSUS server in there, for example. We've got the Virtual Machine Manager server as well. Then under our networking, we have the ability to manage all of our networking objects. Under storage, we can manage our storage objects. If we then move down to the library tab, on the library tab here, we can see that we can store templates to create virtual machines from. We've got hardware profiles, guest profiles, any objects that are equivalent. So as we can see here, all of the additional information. We've got our cloud libraries, if we had any, for creating virtual machines, self-service user account content. So this here is where we allow our users to manage their own virtual machines. We've then got our library servers, so we can see the library servers. We can see what's stored on the library servers, so we can see we've got resources here to create virtual machines. We've got our update catalog and baselines as well, so we can use this as well with, for example, WSUS to update our Windows boxes. Under the Jobs tab, we can see any running jobs, history of jobs, and under the settings, we have the ability to come in here and modify the settings for our Virtual Machine Manager itself. Now, in order to go through all of these one by one, it's going to take quite a bit of time, so I do encourage you to go away and just have a quick look through the Virtual Machine Manager console and become accustomed to the various tabs, various buttons and various views. Thank you.